Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Zoho Books transactions step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Zoho Books transactions, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on the Reports option to access various reporting features. From the Reports section, select Transaction History to view your financial transactions. You can customize the date range for the transactions you wish to back up. Use the filters to include specific transaction types if needed. Once you have set your desired parameters, click on the Run Report button. After the report generates, look for the Export option, typically found at the top of the report. Click on the Export icon, which usually resembles a download symbol. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your backup. Select your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Once you make your selection, the file will start downloading automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your device's download folder. Open the file to verify that all your transactions have been captured correctly. For regular backups, consider setting a calendar reminder to perform this task periodically. Make sure to store your backup files in a secure location. This process ensures that your transactions are safe and can be accessed whenever needed. You are now equipped to efficiently back up your Zoho Books transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.